Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making chicken suya. You guys, this recipe right here is so tasty, so keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. For this recipe I will be using chicken thighs. You can also use chicken breast. I'm going to cut it into thin slices. This recipe can be served as a main meal, sometimes side dish or snack, whatever you want it to be. Chicken suya is enjoyed across West Africa by almost everybody. It's very easy to make with few ingredients. So watch till the end to see how easy it is to make. Once that is done, I will set it aside. The next step is to combine my preferred spices. In a bowl I will add vegetable oil, seasoning powder, onion powder, garlic powder and white pepper. I will mix very well to combine and add it to the sliced chicken. Next I will use my hand to mix very well until everything is well combined. Once that is done, I will leave it to marinate for 1 hour. One hour later, I will transfer the chicken to a skewer and coat with Suya Spice. You guys, you need to be generous with your Suya Spice at this point. I'm using my homemade Suya Spice. I have a video on how to make homemade Suya Spice. I will put the link of the video in the description box. Once that is done, I will transfer in my baking tray with rag and transfer in my preheated oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Next, I will slice my vegetables for garnishing: cucumber, onions, tomatoes, and set aside. Don't forget to flip the suya in between so that it will cook evenly. 20 minutes later, we are done. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!